Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Capricorn. We'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys, and few cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So those cards will answer the your deep thoughts or some questions you have regarding your career situation or your relationship, guys. So this is the card for your career and this is the card for your relationship, Capricorn, and this is the angel guidance card. So we will open the cards now. Page of Cups. So this is for your general reading, guys. Death. Four of Pentacles in reverse. Capricorn, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, today you are moving towards some transitions in your life, guys. You are seeing great changes. You want to make those changes. You want to close the doors of your past, maybe of this past relationship, of past hurts, whatever that is that you cannot change. You want to get over it, start fresh, start a new life, and you are moving towards that and you are making steps towards that, but you are feeling really emotional and sentimental about certain things, but you are trying hard to change, let go of your past and move on with your life, guys. That is what I see here. You are trying it. You are trying to let go of your past and you are trying to move on with your life, forgetting the past hurts and coming to an understanding with what you need to do today, guys. And maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, maybe if you are in breakup or if you are with this person, maybe you had some arguments, fights, and you want to overcome it. You want to let go of those hurts and you want to move on, start fresh again. That may be the energy, but something is obstructing you, something is hindering you. That energy is also there. You are not able to start right away. Maybe you are too sentimental, you are not being practical. That may be the reason here, guys. Let us see what is the card for your career. Clean it up. So with this card, guys, the energy is that whatever that we do not need, maybe in our homes or office, whatever we need to do to avoid that clutter, we need to do it. We need to do those actions, clear away those things. So that communication that we need to make in our work, some filing of papers or simple things like opening mails, checking bills, sorting things out, making a list, whatever we do in our work, you need to do that. So when you do that, you will feel that you are able to clear that clutter, and everything has energy, guys. Everything has energy. So when we hoard things that we do not need in our workspace, it will in turn affect us. So we need to clear those things out, and sometimes we need to say no when we are not able to do something in our work. So we need to reject those things we do not want. So when we do that, we move towards greater prosperity, guys. So and we will learn to not to overburden ourselves with work. We should know when to say no. So that is the energy here for your career, guys. That is the oracle's guidance. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. Not for you. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, sometimes in this relationship, we may feel that we are putting in great efforts to reach that understanding, but this person does not acknowledge them, maybe because this relationship is not meant to be. That is the reason that it is not happening, that it is not possible. So sometimes rejection is also a blessing, guys, a divine blessing. So whatever that is not supposed to be for us will not be there for us. So whatever is supposed to fit in our life will be with us always. So we need to have that radical acceptance and surrender to that changes that are coming in our life, and have trust that things will go towards the better, guys. So maybe in this relationship, if you do not have that understanding, and if this relationship is not on a firm ground, and you are in separation, you need to understand that this is not a relationship that is meant to be for you, guys. So we will see what is the angel card, guidance card, Archangel Raphael. So whenever we get an angel card, guys, it just means that angels are there guiding with us. So this card just points us towards that this is the time for us to emotionally, mentally, and spiritually heal ourselves. So we need to look in, change ourselves, have that healthy lifestyle. So sometimes we change our lifestyle to have that, to enjoy physical health. In the same way, for our mental health, for our emotional health, we can take up those activities which gives us balance, maybe meditation, or having an alone time, thinking deeply. So whatever helps us in that growth, we need to do that, guys. So that is the angels guidance for us today, Capricorn, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.